gonna do my child's makeup for homecoming. Disclaimer, this is my child. I used my fingers and my products don't come out. And second of all, don't I look beautiful today? Gorgeous. So, if you want to see how I created this beautiful, let's zoom in a little bit. Let's zoom in. Damn! If you want to see how I did this queen's makeup, please continue watching. And you know, if you like, subscribe, like, share, all that good stuff. Alright? I love you guys. Don't mind my face, because I'm still beautiful. Let's get to the video. Ah! Alright guys, so this is the final look on my beautiful queen. I just want you guys to see this beauty. Yes, yes. They are thriving. They are beautiful. They are everything. Look at this. Look. Let me get a close up. Oh. Oh, bitch. What did you see? Nothing but beauty. Nothing but beauty. Yes.
Oh, I love it.
Just getting my child ready for homecoming. This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed. The video was kind of fast, just mumbling and all that kind of stuff, but I haven't done makeup on a person in a while, so it was kind of fun to do my daughter's makeup and my child's makeup. So hopefully they have a good time, and thank you so much for watching.